Hello my friends, hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to episode 257 on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm very excited about this video. I am participating in the finger food collaboration with a group of YouTubers. We're going to make Super Bowl snacks. For our collaboration, I'll be making football brownies, and my friends, these are the bomb.com. They are so delicious, rich, decadent, chocolatey, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And if you're looking for an awesome treat to serve for your Super Bowl party, you're going to enjoy these football brownies. So grab your chocolate chips and your brownie mix sugar, because we're about to bake some football brownie magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have my brownie mix. I'm using the fudge, or you can use the milk chocolate or dark chocolate, whichever you prefer. We're going to add in a half a cup of canola oil, 2 jumbo eggs at room temperature, 3 tablespoons of chocolate milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I'm going to add in 1 cup of milk chocolate chips, or you can use the semi-sweet. And all we do is stir until it's nice and well combined. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish stirring my brownie batter and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing up my brownie batter. Smells good. Nice and chocolatey. Alright, that looks great. Now we're going to pour the brownie batter into a 9x13-inch baking sheet that's lined with foil for easy cleanup. Alright my friends, I got the brownie batter into my pan, and then to make it a little extra special, I have some leftover milk chocolate chips we're just going to put right on top. More chocolatey goodness. Ooh wee, I'm in chocolate heaven. Look at those chocolate chips on top. Alright, now we're ready to put our brownies in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven. Alright my friends, I have taken my brownies out of the oven. It smells awesome. I love the smell of freshly baked brownies. And look at those chocolate chips on top. Sure to make your mouth water. Alright, that looks perfect. So now we're going to let the brownies cool, and then we'll be ready to cut them up. Alright my friends, our brownies is nice and cool, and I went ahead and just leave them in the foil. So now we're ready to cut them. I already cut one on that side. I have a football shaped cookie cutter, and we're just going to cut them like so. And gently pull it up. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting the rest of my brownies, and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through cutting my brownies, and now it's time for the best part, the piping. I have my icing in my piping bag, and this is just a basic cream cheese frosting. I'll put a recipe to that down below in the description box. So we're going to take a football. We're going to pipe them like this. I'm using a 12-inch tip. Like so. And then one line right here. And then we're going to draw a line in the middle. We're going to put 3 lines on top. Just like that. Alright my friends, there you have it. Football brownies. Don't they look cute? Alright, it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. I think I'll take this one over here. Cute little football. Here we go. Touchdown! The brownie's nice and chewy. Oh, your guests will enjoy these brownies. This will satisfy their sweet tooth. Oh, these are heavenly. They deserve another bite. Brownie Delicious. Wow, my friends, what a wonderful collaboration. I had a wonderful time. Many thanks again. And many thanks, my friends, for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat and happy Super Bowl.